Welcome back to Whales, Whales, and More Whales, and the Whales Challenge. I am in awe, simple, profound awe for how long whales last and can soundly operate. Remember the little exploration that my granddaughter and I had in Independence, where we found whale from 1908? Yes, 1908. And our Southern Pacific Engine 18 is still safely running over them. During a visit to Goldfield, a once bustling Nevada metropolis of 20,000 people and 5 railroads. Yes, you heard right, 5 railroads. Do you know which ones? If you do, list them in the comments. Well, not much of those 5 railroads is left in Goldfield, which is now more or less a living ghost town. You can find a foundation of a roundhouse and a historical accumulation of items at the site of one of the railroad's maintenance yards, right across the Santa Fe Saloon. This is a rail mecca. Aside from an old Higgs engine, which is really in need of TLC, we found a couple of boxcars, an old cars, and you guessed it, rails. Rails, rails, rails. Okay, a whole pile of rails, and I can't really find a whole lot of stamp marks. I found one, and it says 85 ASC VTMR 2003, so that's new rail. Why would there be new rail here? Going through the yard and the rails, those markings on the rails really triggered my interest. Now, here you see the typical listing of markings, and I'm saying typical because what I will show you later, I found markings which don't necessarily follow this pattern, where in the beginning you have the weight, 2 to 3 digits depending on the pounds per yard. Then you have the section, the rail grade, both in letter forms. The third set of 2 letters is actually what's called the hydrogen elimination method. I'll talk about it a little bit later. And then obviously the manufacturer, the year that it was manufactured, and then tick marks, more or less, which indicate the month of the year. Pretty nice method. Following the weight, the first 2 letters indicate what's called the section, and those identify the ones who designed the specifications for the rails. And as you can see, there is a number of them. This is followed by the rail grade, and there you have a division between standard grade and main grade and numerous categories which actually also go beyond 2-letter designation. This is followed by the hydrogen elimination method, and that's really how all the gases that were trapped in the metal were removed during manufacture, and there are 5 main methods, and we found the OH, the open hearth method. I think I saw CC as well. And then lastly comes the manufacturer, and you see here a long list of manufacturers. However, I think I have already come across another one. So this is a little summary, and obviously the information that I'm presenting here I extracted from several web pages which are listed in the description below. I am no expert in rails, not at all. However, the hydrogen elimination method kind of like triggered my interest. So what is it that we found? Take a look.
Another new one here, Colorado, SEC or 0653, 3 bars, and it's from 1914 and OH. Rail number 8004, Illinois Steel Company, South Works, and that is from 1905. Oh, I found one. Here's another Carnegie, 1903, from the Edgar Thompson. Here's another Carnegie, 1903. It's 7506, Illinois Steel Company, South Works, Kansas, something X, 1901. And I got off the...
Unfortunately, we could not find the year when the rail was manufactured in Tennessee. And now it's up to you. So the oldest rail we found here in the yard was 1901. And the oldest rail in Independence, where the engine is actually running over, is from 1908. So what's the oldest rail you can find in a working yard? Be safe. Do not put yourself in harm just to find the rail. And please share it with us. Upload it in the comments or on Facebook or Instagram. We are looking forward to hearing back from you. Please share, like, subscribe. Your actions will help maintain Engine 18. Thanks for watching.